Hi, I'm Chad Grosglass. Welcome to how-to videos from Bugspray.com. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your barn owl house when it comes to you in the mail. We disassemble them for shipping because with these larger pieces on it, it really isn't practical to ship. So what you're going to find is a support brace, a triangular support that goes to the brace, the owl house, and it opens up. And inside you're going to have some cedar shavings, and these are cedar blocks, and these are going to go in the base of the owl house, and then the cedar shavings go on top of that. So all of that's going to come inside the house when you receive it. I'm just going to throw that in there, get it out of the way. One of the other frequent questions that we get when people receive this is, what is this piece of wood for? The gentleman that builds these has arthritis, and he finds that having this large piece of wood to turn rather than this small hook is easier, so that's the only purpose for that. Okay, so on the side you'll see support braces already built in, and this longer piece is going to fit on the top of the house, and you just want to look at the holes. They're going to have two at the bottom, two in the middle, two more higher up, and then two smaller ones at the top and bottom. These smaller ones are for attaching it to whatever you attach it to, a pole or a tree. The ones that are countersunk are going to actually be the ones that you use for putting it together. So on the very top they have some shorter screws. That's to keep the plywood from splitting. So you're going to place those two in. Then all the rest just go into these holes. And if you look, everything's been pre-assembled before you've gotten it, so it should all go together pretty easily. Okay, and the last piece goes in like this, and this just gives a little bit more support. You got one screw here, and two are going to come in from this side here, slide up the holes. Alright, there you go. It's assembled and ready to install. One other little thing, there's a notch here at the bottom of this that allows you to put a nail into the post or the tree that you're going to install this on, and then you can set it on there to take some of the weight off of holding it up while you put in the other screws. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you for watching this how-to video on how to assemble a barn owl house.